Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's the Road to Monte Carlo Class E. Just to give you a bit of background about me, massive Japanese car fan and also just general car fan from the 70s, 80s, 90s era. And this time I've left it a little bit late in the day, but I've actually invested in my own classic Japanese sports car. The car that I'm talking about is a 1972 Datsun 240Z. You can see some parts we've got here. So just to give you an idea of what the channel's going to be about, I'm a complete novice. I've never done any work on a car apart from little bits of maintenance and things like that. So this, for me, is a massive learning curve and something I wanted to do for years. So with a little help from friends, family, experts, forums, you name it, I will turn my car from a bit of a project right through to a car that's going to be worthy of entering a really pristine competition called the Monte Carlo Class E, which runs from January to February. So what you're going to see in a second is a few shots of the car when I first purchased the car. The car's an import from California, so it's a great base model to work from. The car's not in great condition, but it's got fantastic bones. So there's a lot of restoration that's going to have to be done ground up, but I'm excited to learn about all the processes and things that I've got to do, and people I'll meet along the way, which you guys will meet with me, and we'll be looking at suppliers, we'll be looking at parts, we'll be looking at deleting a lot of rust, we'll be looking at replacement panels, rewire, upgrades, and again a massive learning curve. Also guys, I want to show you some pictures of influences and hopefully a flavour of the result when it's finished. Hi everyone, just thought I'd welcome you to the workstation. This is where the magic happens. As you can see behind me, you got the 240Z. This is where we'll be doing a lot of the work. If you notice the back, this is where my bar used to be. We've got the fridge. It was a bit of a man cave, so we're converting it now into a proper workspace. So you'll see a lot of the interviews and techniques that we do to convert the Z into a working rally car right here. Alright guys, just want to show you a few trouble spots with the 240Z. As you can tell, I'm in the engine bay. We've removed the block. You'll see some of the images as well that we've done before. So you'll see, just get out, common places with the 240Z. You'll see in all the reviews online. So I just want to point out, mine's pretty much got all of them. So firstly, you've got where the battery goes. You get a lot of corrosion from the battery, so that needs replacing. The good thing is the rails are pretty good as well. So that's a great thing. So I don't have to worry about having to replace the rails, having to strip it off the frame. Also, floor pans, both sides, passenger and driver, they need completely replacing as well because there's a bit of a common rust spot there. The slam panel on the boot, that's got some work we're going to do there as well. We've got the replacement panels, which I'll show you at a later stage. Also, we'll be looking at where the under the arches as well. The arches are looking quite good condition, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind some of this back and see what it's like underneath. Right, so what I want to be doing first is a little bit of rust removal. I'm going to do a test sample on this front quarter. So we're going to be looking at removing all the rust from this section, bringing it right down, and then under here as well. What I'll do is I just want to see what the bare metal's like. What I'll be using to do this is these wire abrasive wheels. So I've got two different types. I've got a flat one here, and what this will do, it'll do broad bits and pieces across the flat sections. And then I've got a narrow one, so you can get right in the nooks and crannies. It can really help you get the rust out of the holes. Right, I'm going to get to it now with the flat wire wheel initially. So I'm going to start to work down this section now. Don't forget guys, safety wear. So I just wanted to show you one of the parts that I've got. So I've got another boot slam panel replacement part. These are quite easy to get hold of. So you can see from what I've shown you on the shots, we've got the rusty slam panel which is going to be replaced. So you can see if I put it down as a temp, when we cut all this out, this gives you an idea of what it'll look like when we replace the part. Right, just want to wrap this one up.
Loads more videos to come, loads more of me making stupid mistakes but learning from them. So stay tuned, watch the next video, please subscribe, see you in a bit.